Hi, I'm Christie Clarkson, Marketing Specialist at Power Factors. Today I'm talking with Abilash Krishnan, our Chief Product Officer. We'll be talking about scalability and why investing in scalable software solutions today greatly impacts the success of your renewable energy operations tomorrow. Abilash has been with Power Factors since 2018 and oversees strategic product direction from vision and innovation to product design and development. Hi, Abilash. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, Christy. It's such a pleasure to talk with you today.
Okay, let's start by establishing some fundamentals. How would you define scalability, and why is scalable software so critical for owners and operators of renewable energy assets?
So, Christy, scalability is the ability of any system or company to be able to expand its impact and what it's able to do without necessarily having to expand its costs or how much it has to pay in order to do that. And this concept is actually very critical for owners and operators of renewable energy assets because today, the number one question that these owners and operators have is how am I going to keep up with my growth goals given my current systems? They're faced with some existential questions today. Are your systems going to help you scale? Can you handle the data that you're going to throw at your systems? Are they making your data an asset or is it a liability? And really, will your systems grow to if you're 2 or 3 times as large as you are today? Because that's the future they're headed towards. The big problem here is that in almost 90% of the cases that we see, the systems that our customers have used up till now are not what's going to help them grow to 2 or 3 times of their current size. That leaves them with the potential of being left behind in the market and not being able to scale. And that's the big problem.
Why does scalable software play such an important role in supporting the renewable energy industry's growth and evolution?
So the renewable energy industry is at a place right now where so many more assets are coming into the grid every single year. The complexity of these systems is increasing tremendously fast. In fact, it's very rare to not see a hybrid system with battery storage systems be put in place these days. And it's putting owners and operators in a place where they have to make a lot more faster decisions and integrate with the grid in much more complex ways. This is basically a very important problem that only software can really help you solve. And having software that can scale to manage that amount of data and complexity is extremely important if you want to actually have a stable grid environment. The other thing is that these customers, these owners and operators, essentially have to make much more intelligent decisions using the data and intelligence that they have. And that level of analytics is only provided through data and through software.
Thanks so much, Abilash. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thanks for having me, Christy. See you next time.